Good day everyone, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Alright, now to some very important update about Nonso Nkwa. As many of you know, just a few days ago, the popular Imo State journalist and activist Nonso Nkwa, also known as Theodore Chinonso Uba, was abducted in Imo State by security agents. In case you missed out on that gist, kindly go through our previous video to get the full gist about what happened. This sudden and quite frankly shocking arrest has stirred up a lot of emotions, and Ndi Imo are not happy. In fact, they are not having it. So, what happened? Nonso was taken into custody in what many have described as an uncivilized manner, and this has caused serious condemnation. People are outraged at the way things went down. Fast forward to today, and we've just received words that Nonso has now been arraigned in court. He's been taken to court. The police have officially charged him under the Nigerian constitution, which requires that anyone arrested must be charged within a specific time frame. Nonso Nkwa is facing some serious allegations, y'all. The 5 charges including conspiracy, treason, arson, cyber stalking, and incitement. Yesterday, he was taken to the magistrate court in Owerri, Imo State, where the court denied him bail and ordered that he be remanded in the Owerri Correctional Center. Nonso was arraigned before the Chief Magistrate, His Worship Adikibe, with the Legal Prosecution Officer NS Onwuchie representing the Police Commissioner of Imo State. Now, this case is really getting a lot of attention. Nonso Nkwa is well known for his outspoken nature, especially when it comes to standing up for human rights. His arrest and now this court case have raised a lot of questions about the state of press freedom and human rights in Nigeria. For those of you who have been following this story closely, rest assured I will keep you updated on every bit of new development as they unfold. There's still a lot we don't know and we are waiting to see what happens next, right? So make sure you stay tuned right here on Ebo People TV as we bring you more updates on this situation. But before you go, let me just say this again. Thank you always for your support. It really means a whole lot to the entire Ebo People TV team. Stay safe out there and we'll see you in the next video.